What if I told you that the future of luxury travel isn't just faster, bigger or sleeker, but taller? The 2026 GMC Yukon double-story motorhome has just shattered every expectation of what a motorhome can be. This is not merely a vehicle. It is a towering statement of power, elegance, and innovation, a masterpiece built for those who believe that the journey should be just as extraordinary as the destination. Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where today we unveil a machine so rare, so ahead of its time, that it will change the way you look at road travel forever. The first time you see it, the GMC Yukon double-story motorhome almost feels unreal. Standing high with its two-story design, it's a rolling skyscraper on wheels. The bold front grille wears GMC's signature design language, reimagined with chrome detailing and LED lighting that makes it glow like a jewel during night drives. The extended body flows with sculpted aerodynamics, while massive 24-inch chrome wheels anchor its presence like a luxury fortress ready to conquer highways. But it's when you step inside that you truly understand why this motorhome belongs in a class of its own. Opening the grand automatic entry door feels like walking into a luxury penthouse. On the first floor, you're greeted by a full-sized lounge area with plush Italian leather seating, a smart glass panoramic wall that can switch from crystal-clear views to full privacy with a single touch, and a 75-inch 8K OLED display for cinematic entertainment. The ambient lighting system changes color to match your mood, while the surround sound audio transforms every song or movie into an immersive experience. A chef's dream kitchen lies just beyond, equipped with marble countertops, dual smart refrigerators, an induction cooktop, and even a built-in espresso bar for mornings on the move. The highlight, of course, is the upper level, accessible via a sleek spiral staircase or a whisper-quiet elevator. The second story is a sanctuary of peace and exclusivity. Here you'll find a master suite with a king-size memory foam bed, private balcony deck for stargazing, and a walk-in closet rivaling luxury apartments. The ensuite bathroom features a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a smart mirror that doubles as a news and entertainment display. A private guest suite ensures your companions travel in the same comfort, with its own entertainment system and high-end furnishings. This is more than a motorhome. It's the ultimate blend of freedom and luxury. It's a private villa, a 5-star hotel, and a cutting-edge tech hub all rolled into one breathtaking package. The 2026 GMC Yukon double-story motorhome doesn't just get you to your destination. It turns every mile into an unforgettable chapter of your journey. For those who demand the best and refuse to compromise, this is the road-going dream you've been waiting for. And here at Honest Auto Wheels, we're proud to bring you the first look.